Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm getting everyone in my immediate family.
Stronger than ever.
And it kind of looks like a trash bag. Happy Christmas Eve, everyone. I'm about to cook some penne alla vodka. Alright, so today is December 21st. I'm in the same spot, so clearly I'm filming it all at once. It's my parents' wedding anniversary. I think they're going on like 33 years. I'm not sure. So they're downstairs. We ordered some food for dinner, which will be nice. As you guys probably saw in one of the things, or in one of the vlogs, or whatever, this is my laptop. I've had this laptop since I was 14. I got it for Christmas, my freshman year. And we were going strong. We were editing videos on here. And I spilled water on it the night before my finals. And you're probably thinking, Crystal, did you lose notes? You bet I lost notes. Not only did I lose notes, during one of my discussion sections with one of like their TAs or GSIs or whatever you want to call them, where he told us what he wanted to see on our take-home final question by question. Yeah, I lost that. I don't think it's completely gone because I was super quick and it wasn't a lot of water and I did turn it off and did all the things. But it is giving me that question mark folder and I've tried to do the command R and everything doesn't work. So I'm going to take it in once either the pandemic is subsiding or over or I feel like it's safe to go. So we'll have to see. But in this vlog, you're going to see me unbox my new laptop. It's my new MacBook. I got the 13-inch MacBook Pro with the, I think this is the brand new one with the M1. So this is it. I'm going to be unboxing it and putting it together. So I'm not like a tech YouTuber or anything by any means. So I'm going to open it in the sleek Apple the way that is. I should wrap something in this box for Christmas for like my brother. He just got a new MacBook last year though. My brother's an adult, so don't think our parents just like poop out laptops, because that's not exactly it. Okay, so it comes all wrapped up fancy, designed by Apple in California Crystal. Okay, I'm not gonna open that. I never opened that. Comes with the charger. I don't like these chargers because I feel like they're flimsy. They're probably not flimsy, but like when I put them into the wall, like I prefer, you know, like the little like cord, you know what I'm talking about? The whole USB-C thing. Call me old-fashioned, but I also think that laptop should come with like earphones, but I guess like it doesn't make sense for it to have earphones because like there's no headphone jack. Alright, so we're gonna open this up. Somebody's probably cringing because this is probably not how I'm supposed to do it. I got in space gray because it was sold out in silver. Yeah, did not have to do all my login stuff, so I'm just gonna do that now. Hello vlog. It is December 22nd and I'm currently cleaning my room. It is 12:20 p.m. Today on the agenda, I was FaceTiming my best friend Mia for a while. And I'm cleaning my room because either tomorrow or sometime soon, I'm gonna start doing a closet clean out video and like, I don't know, I feel like you can just start with like a blank space. Carmel's calling me, so that's her. Okay, bye. Okay, so here's what Mia gave me yesterday. I stopped by her house, didn't get out of the car, but she got me this Fenty pack that I asked for because I got this one in a brand deal a few years ago, which I see Penny from Sephora. I'm one of those people who like, I'm out of breath because I walked up the stairs. Oh, whoa. Hold on. It's the Fenty Glow lip balm or lip thing and the Hustler Baby. So yeah, but I have her gift. She said she needed a new like Better Than Sex mascara, so I got her one, but they gave us this ridiculously big box, which is great because I'm giving her this workout set from VS Pink in a small, so she's a small in both. I'm a medium, so I have this in a medium. I have this in a small, so I'm giving these to her. Tags on and everything. But I think, yeah, that's a perfect fit. So, waste of packaging on Too Faced part, but perfect for holidays and combining gifts. I ordered some things from H&M and Aerie, or American Eagle, like on Black Friday. Well, the American Eagle were on clearance and I just saw them and bought them. It's also like a little mini haul, so I'm not gonna try this on. But I got this black turtleneck from H&M. It's great. H&M has really been trying to market their sustainability because they're beyond fiber. I need to do more research into their actual like ethical and sustainability practices, but marketing seems to be on par. I also am going to be working in the like more professional sector soon, as in like this summer. So I ordered these slacks. They were sold out of the blazer, but I figured I'd keep an eye on it. In an 8, I'm gonna try these on. They're a little bit thinner than I thought they'd be. Oh, I ordered like this like leather, this like faux leather shirt. I'll just try this all on for you guys. It looks like this, and it kind of looks like a trash bag. So hopefully it looks better on. I basically ordered this shirt from American Eagle in 3 different colors in 2 different sizes. Okay, here's the shirt. It's not bad. Okay, so here's the shirt. I think I like it. I'm gonna have to think about it a little bit more. It's not as fitted like perfectly as I don't know. I don't think about it. But the pants are definitely going back. They're just not flattering. I think they're just the wrong size, but all around just looks like a bad. Looks like those skinny jeans we all tried to wear where they like scrunched at the bottom. Yeah, it's a no from me. This is the small. I kind of got this as like it's something easy to wear, either like under blazers, like I feel like I could pass it off, but also like over jeans, like black jeans. And then I also got it in this color. This small fits a lot differently and really doesn't look as nice of quality. I don't know how Okay, here's the medium in this white color. I love this white color. I think it's beautiful. I love wearing like bright whites and stuff. I think, you know, the medium is a little bit, it's longer in the front, which is great. It's a little bit like lower on the sides, which isn't my favorite, but like it's not obnoxious. Look me in the eyes right now and tell me this is not like the cutest little Christmas corner. This is Mia's gift. I did a good job. My mom wrapped the bow. I'm reusing, so this is all wrapping paper we previously had, and this is a bow that I got yesterday when I picked up chocolates from Rachel's mom. So I know like sustainable wrapping paper is like what we're trying to do this year and future years. So yeah, I didn't buy any new wrapping paper. Obviously, we're just gonna like use what we already have. There's no sense in like, you know, not using it, I guess. But we're not buying anything new, which is great. And then yeah, the bows like we already have. Like my mom's really big on Christmas, so we already have a lot of stuff. And then honestly, by the time we probably ever run out, I'll probably be moved out and I'll like teach them about sustainability. Mia's here, so I'm gonna give her her gift. I just locked myself out. Say hello.
Hi vlog.
Hello.
Is this vlogmas?
It's like record and see how that goes. Okay, so I gave Mia her gift and she got me Chick-fil-A, so word. Hey vlog, it is 3:29 in the morning. I just finished most of like 85, maybe 90% of the editing of my like unconventional vlogmas episode 1 video. Excited for it. It actually like looks pretty good, and I think I added some good editing. I might want to add some more music. I'm not sure. I do a lot of talking as I'm doing now. Basically, that will be up tomorrow. I'm really excited. Hi vlog, it is December 23rd, 4:19 p.m. I'll sit you guys down, catch you up on my day. So basically, I got my final back for this class that I thought I did really well and was my favorite class, and I got a C on the final, which I just like didn't, like every other category that I'd done in this class were all A's, so I was like, what? So I spent like 3 hours not correcting it, but just kind of clarifying and asking for a regrade. She said she'll review it, and then I edited the video that came out, Vlogmas Days 1 through 21. So I hope you guys like it. It's really not that long. I tried to make the editing interesting, but I know that when I watch vlogs, like I don't even really watch them. I kind of just like have them on in the background. So I hope that all of my zooming in and my music and my random talking and my captions are fun and interesting, but if not, please comment and let me know and I'll fix it and make it better. But I'm about to just, it's uploading right now, so I'm about to just work on the thumbnail and watch the Bachelor finale. Okay, bye. You were in the vlog a little bit from yesterday when we were decorating the tree, and Jasmine said she wants more of you.
Oh. Oh, yesterday when...
No, like the vlog that I made like a few weeks ago. I put it out. And Jasmine said to put more of you in the vlogs and less of me.
No. Oh, no.
Okay, happy Christmas Eve, everyone. Today, well, right now, my aunt and my uncle and my cousin are gonna like be outside, and we're gonna do like a little gift exchange, and they're dropping off food because typically every year we go to theirs for Christmas Eve or sometimes Christmas, and they cook, and we do Thanksgiving and they come over. But because of this year and because they are frontline workers, we are not doing like anything. But it's like that for everyone this year, so it's okay. We're just making the best of it. At least the California sunshine is shining today. I really want it to shine tomorrow. Rain, don't happen. I'm in this matching set from Pink, and it's super cute. It's a little big. I have it like tucked in, and it's like untucking because this is like not a tight thing underneath. But it's super cute. My mom likes it. And I'm just in a really good mood today. We are going to be wrapping presents, watching lots and lots of Christmas movies, and I'm going to be making vodka or penne alla vodka later, so that would be fun too. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm getting everyone in my immediate family. This is for my mom. This there's just these leggings. They're like these Dan skin leggings. I got her leggings last year for Christmas, but she loves them. They're easy for her to put on, and these ones have pockets. And then I also got her a jacket to go with them. No, they don't match, but she requested these. In our family, we do like specific requests. We do not leave it to guessing. So this is a Dan skin jacket, like lightweight zip up, because she loves to go walking. And then my dad, also very specific request. Do not do surprises. Tommy Hilfiger, just like lounge pants. Do they have pockets? Because he said he needed pockets. Yeah, they have pockets. Lounge pants. So yes, and I got them for him in black and in this blue color. And then for my brother and his wife, I got them a Home Depot gift card that you can schedule the delivery on. So I scheduled it for tomorrow, which is Christmas. But over the summer, I also still had Cutco. I still do. So if your parents or anyone is looking to buy Cutco, hit me up. And like we can, you know. But I won like this butcher knife that I'm gonna give it to them because they didn't buy anything from me, but they have expressed interest in the butcher knife, so we have an extra one. And then the spatula spreader, which I think everyone needs. It cuts and spreads with the double D edge, like what I see a future Cutco owner. Yes, local sales girl. So yeah, I'm gonna give these to them as well, and that should be good. And now I'm gonna wrap them and watch Elf, I think, and Home Alone because I've never seen it. I'm show you guys the food that we got. So my aunt is amazing. We're half Filipino, so she made like pancit, and then we have lobster tails. She treats us too well. Got some chicken tortilla soup. This is a bin we delivered Thanksgiving in, and they just reused it and like repacked all the food. So I love smart thinking. Okay, so we're waiting for it to come on, but literally look at this. Elf, elf, elf. Like, wow. This is my dad's, and they're so cute. Hello, Sugar Muppet Pops. We are going to get boba and drop off some packages at the little mailbox, but yay, I get to leave the house. Okay, so I duct taped my drink, and yeah, so I could go like this. I don't know if this was a good decision, but it wasn't. It's leaking, but I just wanted just so I can mix my boba. And I was too shy, you know, Gen Z things, to go back in and be like, hey, it's not sealed. So, just Gen Z things. I made a mess. So these are my actual glasses. I got them from Costco in the men's section. And I remember even the guy was like, these are dude glasses. And I was like, they're cute. And then he was like, oh, well, you do have a big head. And I was like, great. But these are the only prescription glasses I have left, and my eyes have gotten so bad, thanks COVID and online learning, that I now have to wear them to watch TV if I like really want to watch. So I'm gonna watch Home Alone on Disney Plus. Yay! We are going to watch this Christmas. Third movie of the day. Going strong, Mom?
Stronger than ever.
Okay, so 3 movies down for the day. I'm about to cook some penne alla vodka. We are gonna see how this goes. Okay, I'm gonna start off by boiling our penne, our Trader Joe's organic penne pasta. I'm gonna boil that in some salted water. I'm gonna use my Cutco Petite Chef to mince some 3 cloves of garlic. I swear I'm a whole cook, so now I'm gonna take these San Marzano tomatoes and open them and then blend them in the food processor. The Smith family household, Rachel Maddow on the TV, Crystal attempting to cook. It's honestly going pretty well. I overcooked the pasta, but I personally like softer pasta. I don't know what that says about me, but yeah. It is done. I'm gonna try my first little bit. I'm not gonna put a lot. We all know I'm a very expressive person, so if it's not good, you will see. It's not bad. It's not super like flavorful, but it's not bad. I feel like I'm wanting more tomato, but it kind of got drowned out. No garnish, but it's pretty good, and yeah. Dinner.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you